Hello everyone, I'm going to show you this video for a DIY cat litter box that's going to create less litter tracking around your house. Now I'll let you know first up the pros and cons of this way. The pros are that, just like I said, it's going to be less litter tracking around your home, but there will still be a light tracking around the litter box, but you're going to get less around your entire home. So that's the pros and cons of this way. Also, the only way that this is going to work is you need a sifting litter box like this one here, and then also pine litter. It's not going to work with your regular sandy pine litter. It's only going to work with, sandy litter. It's only going to work with the pine litter. Oh boy. Another downside to this is, as you can see, I just emptied this and cleaned this. The pine clumps do get kind of stuck in there and they're hard to get out. But if you have like a little outside area like I do and a hose, I just kind of like once a month go out there and clean the whole thing. But I do keep on top of my scooping and everything throughout the month. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this now. So again, sifting litter box. So the sifting litter box usually comes with these like 2 reservoirs here. So normally what you do with the sifting litter box is this goes on top of here, and then you put the litter on top, and then you kind of like sift it out. That's not what we're gonna do. So you just put that to the side. Oh, we just put the reservoirs on top of each other like that. So you're going to put the pine litter on top of this one, but first, so the pine litter crumbs go down into this reservoir. You have to make it a little bit higher. So what I did was I just went to the dollar store, and it doesn't have to be this exact product. You can get like Tupperware or some other kind of bowl. But I got this bowl. It's about 1.5 inches deep. I got 4 of them from the dollar store. I turn them upside down and I put them in the corners like that. So this way, when I put my sifting part, it sits a little bit higher on top. So when my cats go in there and do their business and the pine litter turns into dust, the pine dust is going to go down below into that reservoir, and the pine the full pine is going to stay on top. So that's how you get less tracking, because all of that pine dust is going down into this reservoir. All right, I'm going to fill this up with pine litter now. All right, I filled it up with the pine litter. You don't want to fill it too high, because if you fill it higher than this is about like 1 inch, I think, or less high. If you fill it higher than this, then that's going to create more dust that goes into the bottom, and then this bottom reservoir is going to fill up quickly. Now, the only another downside is, see how some of the pine litter went down there already? I actually don't mind that. It's fine for me. So again, when your kitties go in here, they're going to do their business, and then I keep on track of scooping the poop. Guys, I can't talk. Scooping the poop once a day, and I put it into one of these, friendly bio waste bags here, and I take it outside. And then I'll show you a picture of what the reservoir looks like when it's full, and then I take the bowls out and I put them to the side, and I take my pine dust and I just throw it away in the garbage. So I actually have this little top here, goes on there, and there you go. So hopefully that helps. If you guys are really annoyed with litter getting all over the house like I was, this was a way that I kind of just like figured out, and it really only creates tracking around the litter box. It doesn't get all over the house. So More maintenance with this is, again, you have to kind of scoop every day. I mean, if you're not scooping every day, you should be anyway, no matter what litter you have. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe.